It's the love of animals, the desire to give back to our general community that drives us.
It's been my dream since I was 4 years old. I grew up with a lot of animals on my property and I've just always had a loving towards them.
I started working at an emergency clinic and I fell in love. Southern Cross was my first option. It's been amazing, the facility's amazing. So you jump straight into learning about animals and then you jump straight into putting your hands on. It's really great. It's a great way to learn about animals and why they do things and how you can help them.
So you need to be familiar with animals, happy to work with animals. You need to be a fairly practical person who can problem solve, someone who's fairly resilient and can be in charge of their own emotional intelligence and their responses to bad situations. So not just about the biology of the animals, but also about their husbandry, about their behaviour, about their welfare concerns, and be able to put all of those elements of animals together to create an all-encompassing approach to their management and health. But then we also have a substantive component of what we call work integrated learning, which is where the students actually spend time in practice, a little bit like an internship for a doctor. So they actually spend time, usually in their clinical years, working in practices embedded in that practice, being supervised by real vets, and so that it gives them a very authentic experience where they learn their chops by basically working up cases alongside the vet.
It's been intense but amazing. I really enjoy it. I love the lecturers, their knowledge has been amazing. Wildlife as well has been pretty cool.
It can be hard, but if you put your best foot forward, it is something that I've already experienced has a lot of great outcomes. I've enjoyed the fact that we're able to play out real life scenarios in our classes. It's a lot more hands-on than I thought it would be.
One of the aims of our new programs is to gather students from the region and then train them up appropriately and then to turn them back into vets and vet techs that work in our region. We are using local real farms and real clinical practices to do our training.
I would always highly recommend the degree and the university to anyone looking. It's been amazing and the people are amazing.